Hi, it's me, the High5 Matt. Welcome back, learners. Are you ready to dive into another fun math adventure? Before we start, imagine your summer day. You bought lawn 93 worth of Halo, but you say it's about lawn 100. And for example, you walked 1,472 steps, and your friend says that's around 1,500. Or, the lifeguard says there are about 300 swimmers, even if it's not exact. Why do people say about instead of the exact number? Because they are using rounding. Our lesson for today is rounding numbers to different place values. Before we start on our discussion, imagine you are surfing a wave. You need balance and focus, just like in rounding. Okay, now let us discuss more about that. Here is the rule in rounding. Step 1. Find the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And step 2. Look at the digit to the right. If it is 04, then we are rounding down. If it is 59 rise like a big wave, we are rounding up. For step 3, change the digits on the right into 0, meaning all the digits to the right of that place value are no longer important. So, we replace them with 0 to make the number simpler. Let's try this. For example, you spent $8,267 on snack. Round it to the nearest tens. Step 1. Take a look of the place value that we are going to round, so we can see here the tens place is 6. Step 2. Now let us look the digit before the tens, which is the ones digit the 7. Next. Step 3. We all know that 7 is 5 or more, right? And based on our rules, if the number is 5 to 9, we are rounding up. So step 4. Add 1 to tens, change ones to 0. The value of ones are now 0, and the value of tens now became 1 since we are rounded up. But if the value is 4 to 0, we going to rounding, meaning we do not add anything to the digit we are rounding, and we just drop the number and made it 0. For example, 2,146 around into nearest 100. We can see that the place value of 100, which is the number 1, we all know that 1 is from 0 to 4. Based on our rule, if the number is 0 to 4, we are going to rounding down. Basically, we just drop the number into 0, so we will have 2,100. Alright, summer champs. It's quiz time! So it's time for you right now to answer this question. I will give you 20 seconds. A resort earned 5,689 pesos. Round it to the nearest hundreds. Let's check. Step 1. Hundreds place is 6. So for step 2, look at tens digit, which is 8. Step 3. 8 is 5 or more, so we are rounding up. Step 4. Add 1 and change the rest to 0. The correct answer here is 5,700 pesos. Did you get it right? High five! Remember when we are rounding. If the number is 0 to 4, we are rounding down nut. If number is between 5 to 9, we are rounding up. Just follow our steps. Find the place. Look to the right. Change to 0. And that is all our discussion for today. Now you can round numbers anytime, even during your summer adventures.